G'day, Mark Pesce here from Wisely AI. You may not know, but in order to train an AI chatbot, you basically have to read everything that's ever been printed ever on the internet. Washington Post did a wonderful review of this back in May of 2023, where they took a look at the websites that were used to train chatbots like ChatGPT. And of course, the thing you find out is that they use very reputable websites like Wikipedia and Reddit and the New York Times. And that's all to the good, although there are some problems. We'll come to those in a moment. But it was also found that a lot of other websites that are less reputable were scooped up in that, including sites like 4chan and Kiwi Farms and Stormfront, which are very nasty sites. And of course, all of this data goes into the chatbot, which means that any of that data can surface in the chatbot at any time. Now, there are guardrails to prevent that malicious training data from surfacing, but they're never perfect. So that's one risk that you take when you're using an AI chatbot. But there's another risk that you're taking, which is that a lot of text, such as the New York Times, is text under copyright. And at the end of 2023, the New York Times filed an enormous lawsuit against OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, charging them with copyright infringement. In fact, what they said was that it was possible to write prompts for ChatGPT that would get it to spit out verbatim Wirecutter columns from the New York Times, and that this was undercutting the New York Times copyright. Now, the law hasn't definitively answered on this, but of course, all of the major chatbots include copyright data in them, and so they can all surface that data. This is another risk of using chatbots. So we at Wisely AI have prepared a white paper, a guide with the 5 identifiable risks that you can understand and then mitigate when you are using AI chatbots. The white paper is called De-risking AI. Just scan this QR code to get a copy, or go to Safely and Wisely AI. Once again, this is Mark Pesce. Thank you.